Bedtime. Quote reading with meaningful insights. Let's begin. A quote for young minds. We have your worth is not diminished by others not recognizing it again. Your worth is not diminished by others not recognizing it. Your turn. Great job!
The quote emphasizes the importance of empathy and recognizing the worth of every individual, advocating for compassion and respect. It encourages us to move beyond our biases, demonstrate kindness towards others, and understand the impact of our actions on those in our surroundings.